148 piece toolkit. Check this thing out. It's got all you would need to kind of be a starter toolkit, be a great gift for someone that is getting a brand new house or kind of new to tools, or even tools you just want to have somewhere, maybe like in a rental or in your car, just for kind of emergencies. So we quickly will walk through what we have here. We have a pair of needle nose pliers, okay? We have tape, we got a pair of pliers, we got a adjustable wrench, which is a million uses for this, okay? Another pair of pliers, we have a hammer. We have Allen keys. These are metric Allen keys, okay? You have some bits, and these bits go along with this screwdriver right here. So all these fit in here. So you have a bunch of options. That's where you get your kind of your 148. You also have this fitting here, right? This goes on here. And then you have your sockets. So you have 10 all the way to 14. I'm sorry, to 4. So we put these down over here. And you also have a hacksaw, a little hacksaw, right? You're not gonna get through a lot with this, but this is better than nothing. All right, you have a voltage detector. I'll put that back later. Voltage detector, which I didn't test out. You have some extra blades and a blade right here, razor blade. Million purposes and million reasons why you'd wanna have a razor blade. Oh, I wasn't doing that right. You have 2 different screwdrivers, right? You have your Phillips head and your flat head. You also have all these little ones. These are more like for micro adjustments or smaller things. A lot of times like maybe eyeglasses, or if you're trying to take the back off of like a toy or something like that. The nice thing is these swivel, right? So like you kind of, when you have it, you can hold it and swivel it in your hand like that, because this back here swivels. You also have kind of some screws and things just for some miniature repairs. If you needed to put something or hang something up, you have 3 different sizes of screws along with the drywall anchors. You can actually use them in into plaster and things like that as well, not just drywall. I'm not sure if I mentioned the tape. It does come with a toolkit instruction guide. I don't know why you would need that. But yeah, these are all of the tools. I'll quickly go through. I forgot the tape measure. Who forgets the tape measure? You know who forgets the tape measure and has 2 thumbs? This guy. So we will show you the tape measure. This is a tape measure. All right, it's clear, it's pretty neat. At first I thought it was something different, but it locks and it works, okay? So I'll take you through it a little bit closer, as you can see here. These are all the tools, and everything has its spot, right? So that's what's good about a kit like this. You kind of put it in the closet, put it away, and when you need to do something, you pull it out, you use it, and you put it away. So great for that new homeowner that doesn't have a lot of tools. It's also good if you have a ton of tools, but maybe you have like a rental or something like that, and you want to basically just store this stuff away, so you have kind of at least a basic kit. All right, so this is the 148 piece toolkit right here. I'm gonna close it up and we're done.